turned out really well for everything we did. Remember, this was the side. Out. Tires on this thing are like brand new still. And interior was phenomenal when we were putting this back together. Didn't do anything in there. Ended up not really having any lights on the dash for the service on it. Put the correct grade weight oil in it. Actually have a special bulletin out for them, but Mobile One works really well. The hood, we clean that up. Yeah, got that 5-liter V8. Really good power coming out there. The new owner, been talking to him for a few weeks now. And, we actually had to inspect a mechanic. Passed the flying colors. Need a little ride height sensor. I put that in. Wasn't a big deal. We had to make sure the 6-disc changer works, and there's 5 out of 6 discs that came out. Kind of funny. The guy buying it actually asked me if I really knew anything about TVs. In my 30s, I know about TVs, but I wasn't a big TV guy. Yeah, well, I thought about keeping this. You guys one last start up on it. All those lights that were factory from Jaguar, they went off. A lot of people got a kick out of that, but we've been buying and messing with British cars and older cars in general. I mean, yeah, lights coming from an old English car, that's standard. You really can't get past that a lot. But again, miraculously, everything works in this car. You know, cruise control, 6-disc changer in there, audio system. Again, the buyer is very discerning that went through this thing. You watch all the videos on here. I was very upfront about the damage with it, about me fixing it. Again, we had it inspected at a mechanic, got it up in the air, couldn't find fault with it. So yeah, now I am looking at the next project to work on. I'm, honestly thinking I take this channel in a direction where it's all the cars I wanted when I was a kid and couldn't afford them. Now I kind of want to mess with them and drive them a little bit, play with them. So much the pain of Mrs. Roadworthy, my dad, and anybody else that knows me, I'm looking at a Land Rover, the 2016 with the supercharged V8. know if I'm going to try to buy that one really hard or not. Again, last Land Rover I had almost got me divorced before I got married. But I'm looking at an Escalade too. You know, coming up in the 2010s, Escalades were always the epitome of wealth, I felt like, and you know, growing up in the Motor City, always wanted one. So we'll see. But we're gonna be back with some more. Back with me making really bad financial decisions, and well, I guess that means you got to buy a Land Rover then. But again, thanks for following along with us. You know, check out the other videos on my channel. If you're on TikTok, check out my wife, Christina Wonderlust. She posts the travels that she gets to enjoy from me working hard on these cars. World Traveler, get over there, check her out. And again, we'll be back with more.